In this short video, I'm going to show you how to complete your mentoring using your iPads. At certain points during the year, you will be required to access data sets, especially for the examination groups. And to complete your mentoring, you will need both your MacBook and your iPad accessible at the same time. I'm going to quickly show you how to do this. The first thing you need to do is email the mentoring document to yourself, which can be found in Academy Information. You scroll down to Tutors, go to Mentoring, 2012-2013, go down, and for this case I'm going to use Year 10s. I then share it on the top toolbar. I then send it via mail in a Pages document. That means you'll be able to access it and have it as an interactive document on your iPad. Send it to myself. Okay, so it's Year 10. Press send, and then I know that's making its way to my iPad. What I'm going to do is, because I'm going to be needing an SBR, okay, I come out of there, I go back into Academy Information, I go up to Assessment and Reporting, I scroll down to the SBRs, and as of September there will be another SBR folder for 2012-2013, and at the relevant point during the year you'll be notified which SBR to use. Whilst that is loaded on your screen, you then go to your iPad, okay, and then hopefully the email has come in. I then open that up. Now it's important at this point that you open it as a Pages document. So in the top right hand corner I press that icon, I open it in Pages, press done, and then that document is now ready to be completed. So you fill in the details as a normal mentoring document. So you have your conversation with the student, complete it, and then once you've completed the necessary areas, you then need to ensure that it's emailed back to yourself. So I click on the top right hand icon, it looks like a bit of a spanner. I press share and print, I email the document. Make sure you do send it as a Pages document. That's now ready to send, so I send it back to myself. Now that document should be on its way back. I then go into my emails, I click on Year 10 Mentoring, and what I have here is that mentoring file. So I click get rid of all the other bits and pieces on my desktop. I then bring it over into my main desktop area, and then basically I need to name this folder, or this file. So I rename it in the student's name. So I'm going to use myself as an example. And I'll make sure I put in the year group as well, which makes life easier a little later on in the year. I then go to Academy Information, I then scroll down to Tutors again, I then go to Mentoring, 2012-2013, I find my relevant college folder, so in this case it's Matisse, and then what I do is I drop my Year 10 mentoring that's just been completed into the relevant tutor folder. So I'm going to use M11 in this instance, and I literally drag and drop, and that mentoring is completed. It's in the relevant folder for QA purposes later in the year, and of course it can be then edited later on as well. Okay. Once your mentoring has been completed, you can and you should try and email it to the student, and if you do have the contact details of the parents, try and send it back to them as well, just so they are kept updated with the mentoring conversations.